Hey you, it's Kyla Lou, and today I'm going to show you guys how to build a high converting landing page. What is a landing page, you may ask? A landing page is a single web page with the sole purpose of collecting some sort of contact information from the people. Usually this is an email address. Why is it so important to have a high converting one? A high converting landing page is one that does
a very good job
at compelling your visitors into clicking your call to action button and becoming leads. Leads mean more sales, leads mean more relationship building opportunities, leads mean more traffic, and traffic is the lifeblood of business. This is so important. Important enough that you should go and get it tattooed on your face so every time you look in the mirror, you remember how important it is. I'm kidding. I'm not. Also, before we get too far into the video, I wanted to let you know that your outfit looks really cute today. I've got really cozy vibes. My apartment's freezing, it's cold outside, but I love your outfit. So let's go ahead and dive in onto my computer where I'm gonna share with you guys the framework for building these awesome landing pages that is thankfully very simple, but also very calculated. And what you're gonna see here on my screen doesn't take any graphic design work whatsoever. You just need the right words in the right place. And if you guys stay to the end of this video, I'm actually going to give you a link that you can one-click import this landing page, and that's literally all you have to do is add in the words and it's already built for you. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. I personally use this framework to promote a particular affiliate product, but you can use this landing page to capture emails and essentially sell anything, even if that is your own products. So let's go ahead and get into this. Okay, so here we have the big reveal of the page, and you guys see what I mean? You really don't need any graphic design experience. This page is really simple and it's supposed to be that way. So let me show you guys this. So the page, we just got a white background, some text here, a button, and if I scroll down, we've got another button that does the exact same thing as this button here. And that's all. That's what's really cool about it, is it's really simple, but again, really calculated. So like I was mentioning at the beginning of this video, the purpose of a landing page is to collect some sort of contact information. Again, that's typically going to be an email address. An email list is a huge asset because you can not only use it to grow relationships with your customers or potential leads, hopefully offering value to them, but you can also use it to promote other products down the line and promote your social media, right? It's just a huge asset, and a landing page allows you to build that email list. But what's also really cool is the secondary purpose of a landing page is to pre-frame your potential customers or your leads. And what pre-framing does is essentially makes your customers receptive to the offer that you are about to offer them. Think about it like this. If you just walked up to someone on the street and said,
"Hi, buy this product for $100.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
It wouldn't go very well. They probably wouldn't end up buying it. Things would be awkward. It just wouldn't be a good situation. But now think about it this way. If you walked up to someone and let's say you offered them a sample for free, and then you started sharing your story about how, this product really changed your life and how you've been able to use it and how your friends have used it. And then maybe you make an offer. Now your customers are essentially warmed up for the offer. So you guys check out this page here. I've got this button that when people hop onto this page, they can click this and you can see they can then enter in their name and their email address, and then they're taken to get exclusive access. Now, typically this could be a webinar, a sales page, a training video, right? There's a bunch of different options, but that's essentially gonna be my offer. So this landing page is gonna start to warm them up, get them in that right mindset before actually going over to where I want them to take more action. So if you guys are looking at this and you're like, I'm so confused how this all works, don't worry. I'm gonna walk through this entire thing. I'm so excited to do this. So let's dive in and let's talk about this headline. This is gonna be the first thing that people see when they hop onto your landing page is the headline. With this headline, we want to have it be a real aspirational desire. We don't want it to be some surface level headline. We wanna dig deep because that's gonna help connect us to our audience and again, get them to be receptive to what we're about to share with them with our exclusive offer, exclusive access. I hope you guys are getting the idea here. So I want to give you guys some examples because that really helps me. And so I'm going to give you guys some examples within the make money online space niche or topic, as well as maybe let's do the health and wellness topic, because those are really big and popular niches and topics right now. So hopefully by you guys seeing me give you guys some examples, you'll be able to work this for your own products and whatever you guys want to promote with your lead magnets. So if we have a real aspirational desire, let's say for the make money online space, a bad headline would be how to make money online. Yes, if our people are in the make money online space, they're looking for how to make money online, okay? But we want to go deeper. That's a very surface level headline, and that's why it's not very ideal for our landing page. We want to go deeper and we want to start to think, okay, what do they actually want? Yes, money is nice, but what does the money allow them to get? Maybe it's the flexibility of their schedules, more time to spend with their loved ones. Maybe, not having to worry about living paycheck to paycheck. So a better headline, right? This real aspirational desire could be live the laptop lifestyle, fire your boss, quit your 9-to-5, take control over your life, right? We want to dig deeper and not just do those surface level headlines. Now, if we look in the health and wellness space, a headline, maybe a surface level headline could be how to lose 20 pounds, right? That'd be nice. If someone who is looking to get fit and get healthy, maybe they are looking to lose 20 pounds. So it's not wrong or it's not a lie, but again, we want to dig deeper. What's actually driving them to want to lose 20 pounds? Maybe they want to look in the mirror and actually love what they see. Or maybe they want to get that summer beach body that's going to help them feel confident at the beach, or be the hottest mom at pickup at school, right? There's so many different things, but that's what we really want to tackle with this headline. And that's what's going to draw our audience in and convince them to keep reading. And yes, even though there's only 3 paragraphs here, not very much text, if people aren't hooked in by that headline, they're not going to keep reading and they're going to peace out. So now we have this first paragraph. So I have this set up here, ever wanted blank without blank. Now this is a golden statement here, and one that's really useful on landing pages. The reason why I pose this as a question is because I want people to make little commitments. Yeah, I think that's the word I want to use. Little commitments before even clicking on the button. So ever wanted to lose weight or look in the mirror and love what you see without starving yourself, without cutting all sugar out of your diet? And they go, yeah, that sounds awesome. And they say yes, they have that little commitment, right? I've never done summer sales or door-to-door sales, but I do know a lot of people that have done that. And they always say their main goal is to get the person to say, like, I don't remember the exact number, but it's like 20 to 30 yeses before they actually even bring up the offer. And the reason why this tactic is so successful is because the more you can get people to say yes, to make those little commitments and be like, oh yeah, that makes sense, right? Yeah, I love that. Again, then they're more receptive to the offer. I wanna make sure that you guys do this, and I have this note on here. Make sure it's in line with the offer or the opportunity you're offering. We don't want to mislead them. We wanna be honest. We wanna be transparent. We're not here to trick our customers or our potential leads. And so make sure that with this on your landing page, the without portion actually is in line with your offer. So if you have ever wanted to lose 20 pounds without going on a diet and what you're offering is a diet, that doesn't make very much sense. But ever wanted to lose 20 pounds without going to the gym, maybe that makes more sense, right? So keep that in mind. Now let's move on to this second paragraph. So my name is really simple, your name, because we want people to get connected and know who you are. And I help ordinary folks. Now, this is really, really powerful because ordinary folks is a very inclusive language. And here, the red text, do the thing they want. So live that laptop lifestyle for the make money online space. The health and wellness, lose the 20 pounds, look in the mirror and love what you see. Even if they don't have the things they think they need. Even if you don't have a following or an email list, or, lots of experience making content. If we are talking about the health and wellness space, even if they don't have a gym membership, even if they, don't have the money to go and buy groceries at Whole Foods, the options are endless. I hope that by me sharing these examples that you guys can kind of get an idea of what I mean here. All of the red text here on this page is what you would change for yourself. So you guys can literally take this framework and use it. Now, if we move on to the third paragraph, if you are interested in becoming the identity, okay? So I am an affiliate marketer. If I was targeting and talking to maybe affiliate marketers who are new or beginner, maybe something the identity is high ticket super affiliates, right? Those affiliates that are super successful, bringing in that passive income every single month, right? Maybe that's the identity. Or maybe I want to be the hot mom at pickup. Or maybe I want to be the mom that has so much energy, she can keep up with her kids and, also have time for her husband. Or, you guys, like the options are endless, right? I'm also doing this on the fly. So I hope you guys are getting the idea. And then we have click the button below to watch a free presentation that will reveal the formula. We want a really strong call to action to click the button because that's the main purpose of this landing page. Now, just below this, I have a picture of me and my name. And this is really important, especially as an affiliate marketer, right? Because I'm promoting other people's products. These actually aren't my own products that I'm promoting with this framework. But even if you are promoting your own products, we want people to connect to you. So I'm excited to share with you the simple yet widely unknown strategies of the top people who have the identity. So maybe that is super affiliates. Maybe that is bodybuilders. Maybe that's, fit moms or right? The people who have this identity that our potential leads want. And soon you will clearly see how you can achieve the real aspirational desire. So what's cool is once you figure that out here in this title, you'll just add that back down here. And then as we scroll down, the last thing, what's inside, the exact framework that will allow you to hit your goal quickly. So often, I know there isn't very much text on this page, but even getting people to read that much can be difficult. And some people just want to scroll down and see what's up, what's the deal here. So what's inside, that's why I've got this little line break here, the exact framework that will allow you to hit your goal quickly. And there they can click on that button and then move through our sales process. So I hope you guys can see how powerful and again, how simple and awesome this framework is, because what it allows us to do is bring complete strangers into our world, pre-frame them, connect them to us, and then get them in the right mindset for us to even be able to make an offer. And that's what's really cool. And someone who has little to no tech experience can build and use this exact framework. And that actually leads me again, if you guys have stayed till the end of this video, I'm so excited to share with you guys this exact framework that you can one-click import. It literally takes 30 seconds and you can have all of this built and ready to go. And all you have to do is just type in the text. So if you guys are interested, go ahead and click on the link in my description below where you'll get access to that. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out and let me know in the comments. I try my best to read and respond to every single one of them. But if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really does help support my channel so much. I appreciate you guys and thank you so much for taking your time to watch my content. I hope you have an amazing day and I will catch you on the next video. Bye dudes.